Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on integrating the Microsoft Teams app with BoldDesk. I will show you how to install and configure the app, schedule meetings, and manage the app integration. The Microsoft Teams app is a platform for scheduling, joining, and managing virtual meetings efficiently. Integrating the Teams meeting app with BoldDesk allows support agents to schedule, join, and manage meetings directly from BoldDesk. This integration has the following features. Schedule meetings from BoldDesk. Easily schedule, reschedule, or cancel meetings in BoldDesk. This keeps your workflow smooth and all your meeting activities organized in one place. Join meetings from BoldDesk. Meeting links are promptly updated in the activity comments section, letting you join the meeting directly from BoldDesk. Meeting events added to the Microsoft Teams calendar. Any meeting you create is automatically added as an event in your Microsoft Teams calendar. Reminders from Microsoft Teams. Any updates to the meeting are announced via email, and a reminder is sent 15 minutes before the meeting starts. This process is handled on the Microsoft Teams platform. Now, let me show you how to install and configure the app for scheduling Microsoft Teams meetings in BoldDesk. Sign into your BoldDesk account as an administrator. Then, navigate to the Admin module and click Marketplace to open the Marketplace page. Search for and select Microsoft Teams Meeting and click Install. The Microsoft login page will load for you to enter your credentials. Add your email and password and click Sign In to continue. A page will open displaying the permissions that the BoldDesk app requires to access your Microsoft Teams application. I click Accept to proceed. Microsoft Teams meeting configuration dialog box will open. Here I provide the BoldDesk API key. To generate the API key, go to your personal settings page and navigate to the API Keys tab. Next, click the Create API Key option. Enter the identification name and click Create to generate an API key token. Copy and paste it on the BoldDesk API key field and click Next. On the permission configuration, I set access permission to all roles or specific roles. The All Roles allows all agents to schedule and manage meetings, irrespective of their individual roles or permissions. The Specific Roles option allows only specific agents within the organization to schedule meetings based on their roles or permissions. Select All Roles and click Save to save the configuration. The app will be successfully installed and ready to use. Now, let me show you how to schedule meetings or create meeting activities and track them on Microsoft Calendar. On the Agent portal, meetings can be scheduled from 3 locations. First, using the global Create Activity option. Second, using the Create Activity option on the Ticket Details page. And third, using the Schedule Meeting option on a ticket. I click Create and select Activity. I choose the meeting activity type and enter the subject. Next, I select the MS Teams meeting app, provide the description and assignee or organizer. Note that if an activity is created from a ticket details page, the ticket and requester information will be auto-filled in the ticket and contact sections, respectively. If not, these sections will remain empty. Next, I update the meeting information as needed. The collaborators, start time, end time, and time zone fields must be updated. Finally, click Create to create the meeting activity. By opening the activity, the meeting details and link are updated in the comments section and on the Microsoft Calendar too. Next, I'll show you how to manage the Microsoft Teams meeting app in BoldDesk. On the Admin menu, open the My Apps section to find the list of integrated third-party apps. Here, choose and open a Microsoft Teams meeting. There are options to edit, re-authenticate, and uninstall the application. And that is it. In this video, I demonstrated how to integrate Microsoft Teams meetings with BoldDesk. I also showed you how to create activities and view their details and manage Microsoft Teams meetings. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.